वैसे इसको सॉल्व किया जाएगा। यहाँ पर आप एलसीएम ले लीजिए, x माइनस 4 x माइनस 3 डिनोमिनेटर में। अब x माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ये प्लस है, x माइनस 4 को 2x माइनस 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ये हो गया 25/3। जैसे सिंपल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं। अब हम इसके बाद इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस इसको करोगे 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 4 जा 8x माइनस 5x 5 4 जा 20। ठीक। इसके बाद ये पूरा की पूरा मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 3 से, ये 3 से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, और इधर ये 25 आ गया, ये x माइनस 3। ठीक है, अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 3x प्लस 12। यहाँ पर ये देखो 2x स्क्वायर जुड़ गया, ये 3 है, 4x स्क्वायर, ये देखो सब में माइनस है, ये भी पूरा ऐड हो जाएगा, 6 और 8 14, 14 और 5 19 माइनस 19x प्लस 20। ठीक है, जितना भी जो भी आएगा हमको उसे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, अभी कुछ कर नहीं रहा। 3 4 जा 12x स्क्वायर, 3 9 जा 27, 3 1 जा 3 4 5 57x प्लस 3 20 जा 60। आप इसको इधर ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए, 25x स्क्वायर प्लस 25 4 जा 100x, ये दोनों प्लस हो जाएगा, फिर माइनस 7x हो जाएगा, माइनस 75x प्लस हो जाएगा इधर आके, ये माइनस हो जाएगा 25 इंटू 12। काफी बड़ी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके आ गई। ये और ये सॉल्व करोगे, 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 25x स्क्वायर, यहाँ पर देखिए दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा, 175 होगा, माइनस 57x प्लस 175x, यहाँ पर प्लस 60, और ये 12 5 60, 6 12 2 24 और 6 30। क्लियर है इतना? अब इसके बाद हम इसको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में फॉर्म करेंगे और फिर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, यहाँ पर ये देखिए 25 में से आप 12 को माइनस करिए, 13 आ गया, माइनस 13x स्क्वायर, ये दोनों भी माइनस हो जाएंगे, तो 175 में से आपको 57 को माइनस करना है, 15 में से 7 जाएंगे, 6 में से 5 गया 1 118 प्लस आ जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा माइनस 240 इज इक्वल टू 0। ये हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म हो गई। अब इसको आप डिस्क्रिमिनेंट मेथड से या किसी भी तरीके से आप इसको फैक्टराइज करते हैं। जब आप इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो उसके पहले आप क्या करिए, यहाँ एक्स स्क्वायर में माइनस करना है, इसलिए पूरा साइन चेंज कर देंगे, 13x स्क्वायर माइनस 118x प्लस 240 इज इक्वल टू 0। देखिए किसी से डिवाइड तो नहीं हो रहा, 6, अगर हम यहाँ पर 6 रखते हैं तो 13 इंटू 6 का स्क्वायर माइनस 118 इंटू 6 प्लस 240 इक्वल टू 0। 13 इंटू 36 माइनस 6 8 का 48, 6 प्लस 6 4 10, 6 प्लस 6 7 प्लस 240 इज इक्वल टू 0। 13 6 जा 78, 13 3 का 39, 9 7 16 46 और 240 इसको जोड़ दीजिए, 8 6 4 10 46 17, यानी ये 0 आ जाएगा, यानी x की वैल्यू अगर हम 6 रखते हैं तो ये 0 हो जा रहा है, यानी हम इसका क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अगर निकालेंगे, x माइनस 6 से इसको डिवाइड कर दो, 13x स्क्वायर माइनस 118x प्लस 240। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन काफी टफ है, इसमें एग्जाम में आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। 13x से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 13x स्क्वायर माइनस 13 6 78x 0, 11 में से 7 गया 4, 40x प्लस 240। अब यहाँ पर आप 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस 40 से, माइनस 40x प्लस 240, देखिए कैंसिल हो गया। यानी आपके दो फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से बने, 13x माइनस 40 और x माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ से आपकी एक x की वैल्यू हो गई 6, दूसरी आपकी x की वैल्यू हो गई x इज इक्वल टू 40/32। तो दीज आर द टू आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। अगर यहाँ से आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि कैसे करना है, तो आप डिस्क्रिमिनेंट मेथड बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac से इसको सॉल्व करेंगे और आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। इस तरीके से आपका ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पर क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ सकता है। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Now, if 1/2 is root of equation x square plus kx minus 5/4 is equal to 0, find value of k। ये वाला जो पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन कोई भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ये पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा। यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k। आपकी इक्वेशन कुछ भी हो सकती है, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, बट दिस पैटर्न इज जनरली आस्क्ड इन द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। इसमें आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको लिखा हुआ है 1/2 इज द रूट, यानी जहां पर भी x है वहां पर आपको 1/2 की वैल्यू पुट करनी है। ठीक है, तो ये आपका इक्वेशन क्या है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस के एक्स माइनस 5/4 इज इक्वल टू 0, यानी 1/2 का स्क्वायर प्लस के इंटू 1/2 minus 5/4 is equal to 0. That means we have 1/4 plus k by 2 minus 5/4 is equal to 0. That means 1/4 minus 5/4 plus k by 2 is equal to 0. आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो -4/4, देखिए 4 एलसीएम 1 minus 5 plus k by 2 is equal to 0, यानी -4/4 plus k by 2 is equal to 0, यानी -1 plus k by 2 is equal to 0. That means k by 2 is equal to 1. That means value of k is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. This is our required answer. So this method you have to find the value of k is very important for the examination point of view. After that we have next question. The next question we have, if the mean of x and 1 by x is capital M, what is mean of x cube and 1 upon x cube? Firstly, how do we find the mean of the two numbers? Whenever we have to find the mean of the two numbers, for example, there are two numbers A and B, and if we have to find the mean between them, we simply just add them and divide them by 2. Okay, this is our main process. Now, the mean of x and 1 by x, that means mean is x into u. Okay, so what does it becomes? It becomes x plus 1 by x is equal to 2m. You can also write in this way. Clear? Now you have to find the mean of x cube plus 1 by x cube by 2. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube, we know the formula, x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to x plus 1 upon x I'm using this one, x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 x plus 1 by x. This is the formula for this one. Okay. Now, जहां जहां भी मेरे पास x plus 1 by x है, we can put over there 2m. Okay. So we put over here 2m to the power cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3. Here also we can write 2n. Understood or not? Okay. So it becomes 8n cube is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 6n. Here. Hmm? Now we can easily find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, which is equal to 8n cube minus 6n. It becomes cube over here because it is overall cube and here only 2n. Clear? So 8n cube minus 6n we have. Now, according to our format, the mean which we want over here is 1 upon 2 x cube plus 1 upon x cube. We have to find the value of this one. Clear? So, from here, the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube is this one. So, we substitute over here 1 upon 2 8n cube minus 6n. Okay? Because we have to find this value in the form of the capital N. So, what is the result over here? 4n cube minus 3n. Or we can say m 4n square minus 3. Any one of that may be your answer. Yeah. Now next question. So all of the questions are concept based from your textbook. If you want already the answers of each and every question of your textbook, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Now next question is here. A conical pen is to accommodate 77 persons. Each person have 16 meter cube of air to breathe. If radius of 10 is 7 centimeter, sorry, meter, find height of 10. So as it is obvious, this question is from the surface area or volume. Now this question is from surface area and volume. Now we have to consider which type of shape it has. So this is the conical tent. Okay. Moreover, it is meter cube. Okay. That means air needed by one person to sit in that conical tent is 16 meter cube. Now meter cube shows us to that we have to find the volume and conical tent, that means it is of the form cone. Okay. Now we know that volume of cone. We have a formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay. Volume of the cone. Now it is given that each person needed 16 meter cube. Okay. Now radius of the tent is 7 meter. That means radius is 7 meter and we have to find the height of the tent. So it's very simple now. 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 16 meter per cube. 1 upon 3, in place of pi we write 22 by 7. In place of radius we substitute 7 into 7 and height is equal to 16. Okay, clear? Now this 7 get cancelled and we get h is equal to 16 into 3 over 22 into 7. 2 8 is 16 and 11. It becomes 24 by 77. And it is in meter. It is in meter. So height becomes 24 upon 77 into 100 centimeter. Now when we solve, we will get the answer. Now, just we solve it and try to find the answer. Our answer becomes 2400 into 77. Now, 7 3s are 21. So, 3, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23. 10 minus 1, 9, 3 minus 3, 0, and 90. This is 1, this is 77. 10 minus 7, 3, 1. It is 0. 7 to the 14. Approximately 31 centimeter. Approximately 31 centimeter. The height of the pole. No, it's wrong. I have done wrong because there are 77 persons are accommodated. Okay. So we multiply here also with 77. So that means uh, this here we also multiply it with by 77. Okay. Now it is all over get cancelled and our answer simply becomes 24 meter. So this is the thing which I have done wrong over here. Because this 16-meter cube is needed by only one person and we have there 16 into 77. Okay? Hmm? Is there any need to solve it again? No. है ना? उस टेंट में 77 लोग थे, एक आदमी को 16 मीटर की जरूरत थी, तो वो जो वॉल्यूम है 16 मीटर उसको 77 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया था. ठीक है? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव if y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3 are roots of equation 3y square minus 2ay plus 2b is equal to 0. We have to find value of a and b. Okay. In this equation, we have to find the value of a and b, and there are two values of y are given which satisfy these two equations. Okay. We just simply divide it with the two tables and we write our equation one by one. 2ay plus 2b is equal to 0. And again 3y square minus 2ay plus 2b is equal to 0. In one of the equation, we put the value of y is equal to minus 2. In another, we put the value of y is equal to 3. In order to find the two different values a and b. Okay. So we just simply put over here minus 2 square plus 2a. Here it is minus 2 is minus plus 2b which is equals to 0. And we get 2 to the 4 3 is 12, 2 to the 4a and 2b which is equals to 0. We left over with 4a plus 2b. We simply divide it by 2. So we get 6 plus 2a plus b is equals to 0. This is the equation we get over here. Now y is equal to 3. When we put y is equal to 3, we get minus 2a into 3 plus 2b which is equals to 0. And 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 to the 6a plus 2b is equals to 0. And again we can't able to divide it by 2 or 3. We simply 27 minus 6a plus 2b. Now these are the two equations which we get ultimately. And now we solve these two equations in order to get the values of a and b. Okay. Now see over here how we solve them. We have first equation 2a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. This one. Okay. Now here we have minus 6a plus 2b plus 27 is equal to 3. These two equations we get after putting the value of 1 in both the equations. Now, we simply multiply this 2 and this with 1 in order to remove the value of b. So, we get 2 to the 4a plus 2b we get minus 6a plus 2b plus 27 is equal to 0. Now these two have the same sign, so we change all over the all the signs. It becomes plus, this becomes minus, and minus it will cancel. Here we get 10a, here we get 7 minus 2, 5, 2 minus 1, 1 is equals to 0. That means 10a is equals to 15. The value of a becomes 15 by 10, that is 3 by 2. This is the value of a. Now we have to find the value of b. We can substitute in the equation number 1 in order to get the value of b. So we have the equation 2a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. Now 2 into a, that is 3 by 2, plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. We get it is cancelled. Now b plus 369 is equal to 0. So value of b becomes minus. So this is ultimately our answer. Okay. Now next question we have. Line center O of a circle of radius 5 centimeter cuts the tangent at a point P on the circle at Q such that OQ is equal to 13 centimeter. Find length of PQ. Now, firstly, whenever these types of questions, we generally simply study the question properly. Okay, and after that, trying to solve that. A line through center O of a circle of radius 5 centimeter cuts the tangent at a point P on the circle at Q. That means there is a circle and there is a radius 5 centimeter and there is a tangent at the circle at Q. What's the tangent at a point P on the circle at Q such that OQ is equals to 13 centimeter. What's the tangent at a point P on the circle at this is the tangent and this is point Q. What's the tangent at the point P on the circle at Q? This is O Q 13 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. You have to find the length of PQ. I think this is the figure. Okay, this is the figure. That means क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि tangent जो है वो पॉइंट P पर है, यहाँ पे ये tangent है और इसी tangent के ऊपर एक लाइन जा रही है. मान लो मैं इस लाइन को थोड़ा और इलैबोरेट कर दूं फिगर के कायदे से. मान लीजिए tangent जा रहा है, ये पॉइंट इस tangent पे Q है. अब अगर हमने सर्कल से लाइन खींची करके ऐसे Q पे मिलती है तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक की जो दूरी है वो Q डिस्टेंस है ये 13 सेंटीमीटर है. टेंजेंट जो है पॉइंट P पर है. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखो. रेडियस 5 सेंटीमीटर, ये तो क्लियर हो गया। कट्स द टेंजेंट एट द पॉइंट P, टेंजेंट को कट कर रहा है जो कि टेंजेंट पॉइंट P पर है, और किस पे कट कर रहा है, Q पर। Q ये पॉइंट है टेंजेंट के ऊपर जहां पे जाके ये मिल रहा है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ PQ, हमें इसकी लेंथ पता करनी है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर मैं एक बात बता दूं कि अगर कभी भी कोई सर्कल होगा, ठीक है, उसमें कोई टेंजेंट जा रहा है और ये यहाँ पे ये रेडियस है सेंटर, तो टेंजेंट और रेडियस के बीच में यहाँ 90 डिग्री बन जाता है, ठीक है। रेडियस और टेंजेंट के बीच में 90 डिग्री बन जाता है, ये यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री बना, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री बन गया। रेडियस और टेंजेंट के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है, ये बात हमेशा याद रखना। The angle between the radius and the tangent is always 90 degree. So, in triangle, what is the name of triangle? OPQ. ठीक है, तो ये 90 डिग्री बन रहा है, तो OP और PQ को जोड़ सकते हैं पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के हिसाब से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री है हमारा। OP स्क्वायर प्लस PQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OQ स्क्वायर, और ये मेरा हाइपोटेन्यूज बन गया, ठीक है। पाइथागोरस अप्लाई कर देंगे तो यहाँ पे ये रेडियस हो गया 5 स्क्वायर, ये PQ स्क्वायर हमें पता नहीं है, और OP स्क्वायर हमें दिया 13 का स्क्वायर, ठीक है। ये हो गया 25 प्लस PQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 169, PQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 169 minus 25 which is equal to 144. That means value of PQ becomes 12 centimeter. The main task is that you have to draw properly the figure according to the question. If you're not able to draw the figure, then it becomes a quite problem for you. Now, next question. This is question from the mode, and the topic is statistics. And this question is from there. The angle between the radius of the circle and tangent drawn on the circle, they are 90 degree to each other. Please always remember that. Okay. Now, next question. There's a data is given to us, age of the patients and the number of patients. I will make in this way the data. Number of patients that is given to us 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, and 60 to 80. The number of patients are 35, 350, 120, and 50. And for this data, we have to find the mode. Now, what is mode? Mode is the highest number of the frequency by which data is repeated by itself. But here in this our question, we have the grouped data. We have the grouped data. Now, in order to find the mode of the grouped data, we use a formula. Just remember that formula. Formula is that lower limit plus f1 minus f0 over 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2 into height. Now, one by one, I'm going to explain you what are these symbols are standing for. Okay. Now, firstly, we have to find the highest frequency of the grouped data. The highest frequency over here is 315. Okay. So, it becomes f1. It becomes, this frequency is at the topmost, so we named it as f1. Okay. Now, इसको कैसे याद रखोगे, ये बच्चा फर्स्ट आया यानी इसके पास सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है, इससे पहले किसका आया, ये f0, और इसके बाद वाला f2, ये नहीं कि हम इसको डेटा वाइज लेते हैं, मतलब इसके ठीक ऊपर का जो इंटरवल होगा वो F0, इसके ठीक नीचे का F2। क्लियर है? नाउ ये आपको सारे पता चल गए डेटा। अब ये हाइट है, हाइट इज व्हाट, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्लास इंटरवल्स, दैट मींस 20 minus 20, that means we have got height is 20, class interval सबके बीच में कितना height 20। now L is the lower limit of the data of the interval which the highest frequency belongs, so its lower limit becomes 20। okay, जिसका ये हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा इसके सामने का ये जो वैल्यू है ये लोअर लिमिट है। तो यहाँ पर ये लोअर लिमिट आ गई 20 प्लस, now f1 becomes 315 minus f0 35, now 2 times 315 minus 35 minus 120 into 20। Clear? Now we simply solve it. It becomes 20 plus minus करो 0, 11 में से 3 गया 8, 280। Here we get 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 3, 2 3s are 6. Here 5, 2 3 5 and 1 into 20. So we get 20 plus 280 into 20 over 12 minus 5 5, 12 minus 5 7, 6 minus 5 minus 1 4. We get, what's the value? We get the value of 11.79. When we solve it, we get the value of 11.79. We can solve it, and after that we get the answer 1 and 2. This is the mode of the following data. तो जब भी ग्रुप्ड डेटा होगा तो मोड निकालने के लिए हमको इस फॉर्मूले को लर्न करना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद हमारा मोड निकल जाए। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Find the 25th term of arithmetic progression minus 5 minus 5 by 2 comma 0 5 by 2 dot dot dot. Simple questions. It is based on sequence and series arithmetic progression, and we have to find the 25th term of that arithmetic progression. Now, from here, we have the first term, that is minus 5. Then common difference, we have minus 5 by 2 minus minus 5. बहुत ध्यान देना है इसको। सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस करते हैं। So we get minus 5 by 2 plus 5, and we get minus 5 plus 10 by 2, which is equals to 5 by 2. Now the general term for the arithmetic series is Cn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is n over here? N over here is 25th term of the series we have to find. Now substituting each and every value over here, we get minus 5 plus 25 minus 1, and common difference is 5 by 2. So we get minus 5 plus 24 into 5 by 2, and here we get minus 5 plus 12 into 5, that is minus 5 plus 60, which is equal to plus 55. This is our required answer. Now next question. The ratio of length of boy to length of shadow is find angle of elevation for boy's head. Now this question is from the trigonometry. Okay. In the question it is given that ratio of the length of the boy and length of shadow is 1:1. That means whenever there is a boy, okay, its shadow is formed over here. पीछे की तरफ shadow बनती ही नहीं है मगर कभी भी खड़े होते हैं. Okay. And it is given to us that the length of the boy to its shadow. This is boy. And इनके बीच का जो रेशियो है, that means 1:1. And we have to find the angle theta. Clear? Now, from that, length of boy upon length of shadow is equal to tan theta. Because perpendicular upon base is tan theta. Okay. Now, length of boy to length of shadow is 1:1 over tan theta. That means value of tan theta is equal to 1. And when the value of tan theta is 1, then its value is 45 degrees. That means pi by 4. So this is our proper answer. Now next question. Find value of t if equation has equal roots. An equation is 3x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of t and it is given that roots are equal. Now there are three conditions I also want to discuss over here. If roots are unequal and real, then b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. Okay? If roots are equal and real, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If roots are imaginary, that means we cannot able to find the roots, then b square minus 4ac is less than 0. These are the three conditions from which we can easily find the roots. Now it is given in our question that the roots are equal. That means we have to follow the middle one. Okay. Now we have the equation p is x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. I am comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now the value of a becomes p, value of b becomes minus 4, value of c becomes minus 3. Okay. Now we substitute in the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now the value of b is minus 4 p and value of c is minus 3 is equal to 0. That means 16 plus 4 3 is 12 p is equal to 0. That means 12 p is equal to minus 16. So value of p is equal to minus 16 by 12, that is minus 4 by 3. This is the required answer. Now in the next sessions I will take some more questions.